What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to demonstrate what one of these little Warren drill powered winches can do and how they can perform. I just picked this up. The winch has got 750 pound pulling capacity according to the specs. This one's just the cable version. You can get this in synthetic. And what we're doing today is we are going to be loading my chipper into the truck. If you've watched the channel before, you've seen me hand bomb that chipper into the back of my truck with some pulleys and stuff like that before. It was getting a little bit annoying doing that. So I thought, well, do I buy a winch for my back rack or should I just buy something that's more versatile for you know, using it in other applications? I decided to go with this route here for now. We'll look at winches on the back rack in the future, but I have a couple small trees to cut down for somebody today. I don't want to haul the brush to the dump, so we're gonna just chip it on site. It's about 30 kilometers from my house, so I can't pull this chipper that far down the highway. We're gonna load it up in the box and demonstrate this winch. This is the first time I'm using it, so we're doing this together and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I've just hooked it up to my back rack with a piece of webbing and the hook there. It's got 40 feet of cable. Not using that much, but I thought I'd control the winch from down at the chipper. That way it's not going to get all squirrely on me going up the ramps. I can stop and adjust if I need. We'll see if that's a better option. Okay, it's the winch. Close it up. I got some slack in there. Okay, some tension on it. Okay, it seems to have lots of power. I'm not sure how much this chipper weighs. It's not very heavy. Probably 300 pounds maybe. But I have to lift up on the hitch here. Where we're at so far. Alright, let's see if it goes in reverse. Okay, perfect. So if you put your drill in reverse, it works in reverse too. Let's get going here. let off the slack. Okay, situated, solid. What do I think? First time out, I think it's awesome. It runs a bit slower than I thought, so it does take a while to pull things into place, but it's got power, like way more power than I thought. It didn't labor the drill at all. I do like that it can go in reverse, so when I'm unloading this thing now, I don't have to get my pulleys out and my rope. I can just stick this back on, put it in reverse. One thing I don't like about it is where the drill attaches. A few times while we were using it, the drill slipped off, so the chuck on the drill doesn't seem to seed very tight to it. But other than that, if you're just mindful of that, it's what did I pay for this? I bought it at Princess Auto it was on sale for I think 220 bucks, and I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this thing. Okay, we're on the job site, got it hooked back up to the truck, so you can see it's holding in place. Put the drill back on it. Okay. The one thing I don't like about it is that the chuck here seems to slip off, but we put it in reverse. Okay. Just gotta get up to the truck here. There we go. Touchdown. Okay, that's the review of the winch. What do I think of it? I think it's pretty freaking good. You can get knockoff models of these on Amazon and stuff, made in China. Pretty much the same thing, but I think the quality of the product is probably not as good according to the reviews, so I'd stick to getting the Warren one, quality brand name. The one thing I don't like about it is, like I said, my chuck keeps falling off of this here, so it's either I have a shitty drill. I do have a master crap drill, so that could be the issue, but yeah, that was happening with me. As far as the winch, it runs slow, like, you know, you got to be patient. It's not just zipping stuff up like a winch on your side by side or quad or anything like that, but it did the job. Saved me a lot of work, and I think it has a lot of versatile use. I think I'm going to be using it for a lot of stuff. I'm picturing, you know, hanging moose in the rafters of the garage and things like that, pulling cribbing together on docks and just all kinds of stuff. This thing is small, lightweight, can pack it away. So anyway, that's the review. Let me know what you think. I would recommend getting one of these if you're looking for something small, light duty. Hey, remember to like and subscribe too. I'm slowly getting my subscriber count up, which is kind of cool, and hopefully bringing you content you enjoy, and we're gonna catch you on the next one.